Hello, and thank you all again for tuning in to Obscure Jewels, where I'm your host, Carole. And today we will be reading Why Does It Thunder and Lightning? A Just Ask book by Arvetis and Carole Palmer, illustrated by James Buckley. What a storm! The lightning lights up the sky. The thunder can be heard all around. I wonder what makes lightning and thunder. Are you scared? Who? Me? I bet Raccoon knows. I'll go and ask her. Hi, my friend. Can you tell me what makes lightning and thunder? Do you know? I don't know. Christopher, you ask the hardest questions. Let's start with lightning. It is caused by electricity. We can't see electricity, but we can use these magnets to learn about it. Look at the magnets. Each one has a positive side and a negative side. When we put this magnet next to the other, the magnets come together. That's because the positive side of one magnet attracts the negative side of the other. Opposites attract. Look, they're moving together. Watch it. Look out. Amazing. Let's turn one of the magnets around. When we use the other end, the two magnets push apart. That is because the sides of the magnets with the same sign do not attract. Now that you know a little about positive and negative, let's see what they have to do with electricity. You and Crow can go up and look at that storm cloud. Let's go. Look at the cloud. The cloud is made up of many drops of water. When the drops get big and heavy, they fall toward the earth as rain. Some of the drops have a positive charge of electricity. Some of them have a negative charge. Those drops are negative. Let's look inside the cloud. When a group of drops with the positive charge comes near a group with the negative charge, a large electrical spark is caused. Then we see a flash of lightning jump between the two groups of drops. It's just like the magnets, opposites attract. Wow, that was some flash. This same thing can happen between two different clouds that come near each other. If a group of drops in one cloud has a positive charge, and a group in the other cloud has a negative charge, lightning can jump between the clouds. Of course, did you know that? Sometimes, lightning jumps from a storm cloud to the ground. The earth and a group of drops in the cloud attract each other because they have opposite charges. Lightning is powerful and at times very dangerous. Look, it hit that tree and now the tree is burning. Where there's smoke, there's fire. Now that I know about lightning, but what about thunder? And that booming and crackling frightens me. Thunder is just a lot of noise. It's nothing to be afraid of. But Raccoon can explain that better than I can. That was very loud. Yes, it was. Air is made up of tiny particles called molecules. Say molecules. When lightning flashes, it gives off a lot of heat. This heat makes the molecules start to move and bounce. Molecules. Molecules. Soon the heated molecules bump into molecules of cold air and make a big air wave. This wave is the sound of thunder we hear after we see a flash of lightning. So thunder is just a lot of harmless noise. It's harmless? I know. Let's review what we know. The drops of water in a cloud can have a positive or a negative charge. When two opposite charges come near each other, a large spark of electricity happens and we see a flash of lightning. Positive, negative. Remember, opposites attract. As the lightning heats the air, the molecules bounce together and makes a great air wave, the sound of thunder, and is harmless. Well, now I know what makes lightning and thunder. We do too. Me too. The end. That was Why Does It Thunder and Lightning? A Just Ask book by Arvetis and Carole Palmer, illustrated by James Buckley, narrated by your host, Carole. Thank you all again a million times over for signing up, logging in, subscribing, joining, sharing, all the above. And until next time, keep reading. Thank you.